Okay, here's the problem inside Betaflight. On the receiver page, RSSI channel is always disabled and you cannot save it. So if I select it, let's say aux 12, because that's the RSSI, and save the page, it says that it is saved. But if I go to a different page and come back, then RSSI is disabled. Okay, so how to fix this problem? Come here to configuration, and we have another RSSI, disable that one, save and reboot, and then auto connect was checked. Okay, and go back to receiver. Now set the RSSI to, let's say, aux 12, save it, and if I go to a different page and come back, now it's not disabled, it's set to aux 12 as it's mentioned here. If I turn off the radio, then this RSSI should disappear. Yes, it disappeared.